Hello folks, welcome to our channel Jose. Today we're going to give you an idea how you can replace or change from a conventional light bulb to a LED light bulb on a 2007 to 2011 Toyota Camry. And with that said, let's get started. Okay folks, so we're going to be replacing these dome lights and internal lights on the cab of this 2011 Camry, and there's these other ones in the back, but today we're going to be replacing two lights in the front which are for 1194 or 168 light bulb. And today we're going to be using LEDs, Sylvania, and the part number is 168, and we're going to be replacing it by using this flathead screwdriver. Is a small one. So with that said, let's open these up and show you how we do the replacement. As we're looking at the dome light, there's the front of the car, and then this is the light. Right in between this plastic and this middle plastic, we can shove or screwdriver, and then it's gonna try to pry it open, and it pops and it comes out. And the reason you want to do it from this side is because these are the grabbing points, the ears. As you can see, there's two, and there's two more right there. This side has the leg that goes in and it tucks in, and is the one that activates the light as we pressed in. That's what happens right here. That's a button, and there's a light bulb, so it's kind of tucked into the corner. So then once we take this off, what we can do is we can pull this plastic off in the middle as well, and it has a couple ear tabs or ears that hold this plastic against this area. So all you have to do is pull it away. So by taking one out, then you can pull this away. Now we can put our fingers in there and start grabbing the light bulb and pull it away from the connector. So now that you took the middle piece as well, you pull this one from this end, and then this plastic comes off. Now you have both light bulbs exposed, so we can start pulling them out and replace them. Now we have the 168 LED light bulbs, and there we're going to be replacing the conventional 194, and these are cool white, so we're not putting any colors. We just want clear, more clarity on the cap. So now we take these out and we install them. So now what we do, we have installed one LED, and now what we're going to be doing is installing the other one. So you just guide it, and then before you put the plastics on, you test it to see if it turns on. Because sometimes you put it in the first time you tested it, but you tested it after you put everything on. These LEDs have a positive and negative polarity, so you have to pull it out and then turn it and install it and get it to turn on. See? So they have a polarity, positive and negative. So once we done that, we put the plastics back on, because that's it. So now what we start is by putting the middle piece in. So now the light bulbs covers or the plastics have their sides. This little tab or leg goes towards that button. That's the one that pushes the button as we push in. So that leg goes in, and then we push it in to clip it into that tab and that tab by using this and this other tab. These hooks, these ears lock into there. So now we do the same thing for the other one. We put the tab in first, and then we clip it in. So here's the conventional light bulb, and here's the LED, and the LED is way stronger and more clear, and it is a better improvement for our cabin lighting. So that's why we're replacing it. And well folks, hopefully this video was useful on how to replace the two dome light bulbs on a 2007 2011 Toyota Camry, all you need is a flathead screwdriver, thin small one, so you can pop these plastics out, and then that way you can start accessing the light bulbs. And another thing, you want to have the light bulbs available, so when you do this, you have to put everything back as it was, and you don't end up with parts missing around because you're waiting. So we went LEDs, from conventional to LEDs, but if you're going from conventional to conventional, this is an idea how you can do this replacement, so you don't have to take it to a mechanic or a shop. They're going to charge you dollars when you could have done this simple replacement yourself. So with that said, for those folks who are watching our video, haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up, share it, and we'll see you soon with more videos here en el canal El Chano José.